Hello, Manapalanga. Well, if you look at my blog about 2 weeks ago, I said a polar vortex coming in about 2 weeks. Let me show you what happened overnight. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is, I don't know how much snow. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know, about 6-7 inches of snow already. It's going to snow for the next 24 hours. See a poor car over there? Oh, I'm getting hit by snow. Buried. Roads haven't been plowed. But look at Jimmy. He loves this. What you doing, Jimmy? What are you doing, Jimmy? What are you doing, silly boy? I hear Anna there. There's Anna. I'm sure they're laughing at him. I don't know if you can see her in the window. It's too wet. What are you doing, Jimmy? Jump, jump, come on, play. I hear Anna just laughing at him. But this is, I don't know if it's considered a blizzard or just bad snow. It's pretty darn cold out here. I don't have my gloves on because I have to touch the screen on the phone to make it work. But it is, give a hood on. Wow. He is so loving this. Look at that. Silly doggy. For a dog that hates water. For a dog that hates water, sure is enjoying himself. What are you doing, Jimmy? Where are you going? Whoa. There's Anna sitting in the doorway. Anna, what's it doing outside? Anna, what's it doing outside?
It's snowing.
It's snowing?
Yeah.
Is it cold out?
Yeah.
Just a little bit, right? But this is what it looks like in a blizzard. You really can't see anything. And it's slowing down right now. Come on, Jimmy.
Oh no,
Were you worried about Jimmy?
Daddy, a wet shoes?
Were you worried about Jimmy?
Yeah, a wet shoes?
My shoes are wet. Yeah, it's cold out.
Huh?
You don't have shoes.
Hi, too cold?
Too cold.
Oh, sorry, Jimmy.
So I put a blog out about 2 or 3 weeks ago saying there's a polar vortex coming, which is extreme cold. It is currently 28 degrees or negative 4 or 5 degrees out right now, and really snowing. It's supposed to last 24, 36 more hours. We're supposed to get another almost 4.5, 2 feet of snow.
Daddy,
That's 2 foot is, I don't know, 700 centimeters?
Look, Daddy. Look at Daddy.
70 centimeters? Wow, my math sucks. 70 centimeters, and over half a meter. More snow. Oh. And we've already had, looks like 7-8 centimeters already. So that's gonna be a nice snowy day. Even the mayor de Blasio of New York said, don't travel, stay home. Schools are closed, even online schools are closed today because nobody wants to go to work. And if I was working right now, I'd have to still go in because I am still emergency, and some people still have to work. They'd be me, but I'm not working today. So anyways, thanks for watching my winter vlog update. Thanks for watching. Anna, you can say this with me?
No, I don't play Daddy.
Thanks for watching.
Daddy.
Thanks for watching our vlog. Bye, love you.